Hi everybody, you are welcome to take a glimpse on our optical instrumentation company. Our lineup offers a full spectrum of measuring instruments in 4 product lines. First, a full autocollimator product line combining hybrid technologies for multitasking measurements. Second, laser beam profiling based on knife-edge tomographic reconstruction and camera-based profiling. Third, high-power beam analysis to serve the laser material processing industry. In addition to those lines, we offer special alignment equipment for mechanical and optical elements. Please stay tuned for short introduction of our main products. To start with, we'll demonstrate our autofocusing autocollimator, which is typical to our autocollimator lineup. Here we can see autocollimator automatically focusing on a target mirror. Next, a typical beam profiler is displayed based on a camera and automatic neutral density filter wheel. Special measuring capability of VCSEL laser arrays is demonstrated, featuring characterization of each laser of the array with great accuracy. For applications where a wide field of view autocollimator is necessary, we offer this special instrument which measures over a wide field of view with very high accuracy. Typical resolution is 0.01 seconds. Thank you for your time.